Question words help us ask different types of questions in English. Today we focus on the word when asks about time. This is part of English Learning from Scratch series. When asks about time, use when to find out when something happens. When tells us the exact time of an action or event. Simple and important for everyday conversations. Here are common examples. When does your class start? When are you going home? When is the doctor's appointment? When is your birthday? Notice when always comes first in these questions. When asks for the time of an event or action, it helps find out when something happens or will happen. When focuses only on time, never on place or person or reason. More everyday examples. When will the new restaurant open? When did you start your job? When does the sun rise? When are you going on vacation? Practice these in real conversations. Follow this simple structure. When plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb ? The auxiliary verb changes based on tense. This pattern works every time. See auxiliary verbs in action. When do you eat lunch uses do. When are we meeting uses are. When will the train arrive uses will. When did she leave uses did. Auxiliary verb matches the tense. You now understand when questions completely. Practice makes perfect. Try making your own when questions about your daily routine. Keep practicing English learning from scratch.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.